Does your low back feel compressed all the time, like gravity is just crushing your spine no matter how much you stretch, hang, or try random decompression hacks at home? Here's the problem. Decompression just works temporarily because if you don't fix why your low back feels compressed in the first place, it's just going to come back. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix, and we've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to explain what actually causes that compressed feeling, why decompression alone is not the answer, and then 3 specific movements that reduce compression by actually changing the function of your spine. So what causes that tight compressed feeling in your lower back? Well, for many individuals, this is a result of overactive muscles in your lower back called the spinal extensors. What this does is it pulls your spine backwards, compressing the discs and joints of your lumbar spine. The end result is your hips rock forward, your rib cage is flared, your core shuts off, and your low back muscles do all the work, guarding all the time. Now, what does decompression do? Decompression is designed to separate the spine temporarily. That creates negative pressure within the joints and discs. This can take pressure off these regions and obviously feels good for a moment because you're just taking pressure off of an injured or sensitive area. But the second you stand back up, gravity starts compressing your spine again. So the relief disappears because your function isn't any different. You can't remove gravity. You can't carry a decompression machine around with you everywhere. You need to actually fix what's making you feel that way, because if decompression worked, you wouldn't feel like you needed to keep doing it. To fix this the right way, we're going to regain control of our pelvis, create space in our low back through gaining the right core function, and then train our spine to stay decompressed during movement. In a standing position, put your hands on your hips, rock your pelvis forward, and then rock it back into a flattened position while squeezing your glutes. Go back and forth throughout these positions for 20 reps while focusing on really squeezing the glutes and flattening the back in the end position. We aren't training you to stand like a robot and your glutes clenched all the time, but we are training you to learn how to control multiple ranges of motion of your low back and pelvis, and most importantly, how to maintain a more neutral position. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Then to change the function of our core, lay on your back, put your arms and legs in the air, flatten your lower back into the ground. Pushing that low back down creates what's called intra-abdominal pressure. This is extremely important for proper breathing mechanics, proper lifting mechanics, and supporting and stabilizing your spine from the inside out. Now, while maintaining that braced position, lower one leg at a time, keeping the knee bent, tapping the heel on the ground, and alternating each side. This is training intra-abdominal pressure, your core to function with that pressure, and then it's training your body to move around it while maintaining that spine and core positioning. This is one of the best core and spine stability movements that we start a ton of our clients with sensitive lower backs. It's extremely lower back friendly and it is highly effective. Then last, let's train this decompressed position with movement. Get on your hands and knees, tuck your pelvis under you to neutralize that lower back, and now perform a bird dog. Performing the bird dog with this position, once again, helps train your brain and your spine to maintain this movement as your arms and legs move. As you extend one arm out and the opposite leg back, you want to push your heel through the wall, squeeze your glute, squeeze your fist, keeping your arm as straight as possible. Alternate each side, ideally 10 reps each side. And then what you'll notice is that your lower back will feel immediately decompressed. See how it feels to stand up. See how it feels to walk around. And you achieve that without decompression. That's not just relief. That's your spine telling you that it's working with you, not against you. So these 3 movements alone will reduce that decompressed feeling for these reasons. But this alone is not a lifelong solution. In many cases, this decompressed feeling can be a result of a disc bulge. You might have sciatica with this too, and you might not respond exactly to these movements as intended. And that's why you need a plan. Guessing isn't fun, and staying in pain longer than necessary isn't fun either. What you're missing is the centralization process that tells you exactly what you should be doing, what you should not be doing, and then gives us a roadmap for success. And this has helped many of our clients on average reduce their pain by 37% in the first session, and others complete elimination of their pain within as little as 15 days. So if you want to dive deeper with me and get a structured plan to healing, just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a structured step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss the opportunity to finally fix your pain and live the life that you deserve. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my and our clients' lives and how we're achieving a life without low back pain. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in the program real soon.